Do you know how to prevent a heart attack? It's a question that's more important than ever. Heart disease is a prevalent issue with effects that ripple out into every corner of our lives. But it's not all doom and gloom. While genetics play a part, the lifestyle choices we make every day significantly affect our heart health. Eating right, staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep can all help to keep our hearts in tip-top shape and drastically reduce our risk of experiencing a heart attack. Today, we will share some essential tips on how to keep your heart healthy and prevent heart attacks. Our first tip is about the importance of a healthy diet. It's like fueling a car. The better the fuel, the smoother the ride. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products can be the premium fuel your body needs. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber that can help keep your heart in top shape. Now let's talk about the bad fuel. Saturated and trans fats found in foods like fried items, baked goods, and red and processed meats can increase cholesterol levels, leading to heart disease. So it's important to limit these. Added sugars and sugar-sweetened beverages too can cause weight gain and high blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. And let's not forget sodium. While a little is necessary, too much can lead to high blood pressure, so consider using herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt. By making these simple changes, you can create a heart-healthy diet that not only tastes good but also makes you feel good. Remember, what you eat directly affects your heart's health. The second tip revolves around regular physical activity. A steady rhythm of exercise does more than just burn calories. It's a wonder drug of sorts, a powerful antidote to many heart health issues. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, a key factor in heart health. But the benefits of exercise don't stop there. It's also a natural stress reliever. You know that feeling of relaxation after a good workout? That's your body releasing endorphins, nature's stress fighters, helping to keep anxiety and stress at bay. If you're managing diabetes, regular physical activity is a crucial partner in your journey. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, playing a vital role in keeping diabetes under control. Now you might be thinking, I don't have time for exercise, but it doesn't have to be a marathon. Even a brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can make a significant difference. Remember, it's not about having a six-pack or being able to run a mile under 6 minutes. This is about your heart. It's about small, consistent steps that lead to big health benefits. Exercise is not just about keeping fit, it's about keeping your heart healthy. The final tip is about adopting healthy lifestyle habits. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about smoking. It's no secret that smoking is detrimental to your health in many ways, and when it comes to your heart, it's no different. So, if you're a smoker, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Next, we have sleep. Your body needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to rejuvenate. When you're well rested, you're better equipped to manage stress, another crucial aspect of heart health. Exercise, spending time with loved ones, and relaxation techniques are all excellent ways to keep your stress levels in check. Now about alcohol consumption. While a glass of wine might be good for the soul, moderation is key. Keep it to 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but also about regularity. Last but not least, emotional support plays a significant role in recovery and maintaining heart health. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it, whether it's from a professional or a loved one. By adopting these habits, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Preventing heart attacks is within your control. Remember, embracing a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products is key. Limit your intake of harmful fats, processed meats, and added sugars. Regular physical activity is your heart's best friend. Strive to maintain a healthy weight, manage diabetes if necessary, and ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Stress management and moderate alcohol consumption are also crucial. Your heart health is in your hands. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips to keep you on the path to a healthy lifestyle.